Spreadshirt versus Redbubble, which one is better? Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to do another in-depth compare and contrast between two print-on-demand service providers, Spreadshirt and Redbubble. And we are going to begin with Spreadshirt first and the pros and cons. And we are going to begin with the pros, which are you can create your own store for free without any charge whatsoever. There are over 250 print-on-demand products to choose from, so you have a lot of variety on what type of products you want to sell on your store. The design editor is easy to use, so you don't need any experience as a graphic artist or graphic design, or you don't need any experience using editors. And the Spreadshirt marketplace is available to sell on if you would prefer to try and tap into an existing audience. The cons, however, if you sell on Spreadshirt marketplace, you only receive 20% of the sale price, which means your profit is 20% per item that you sell. You can only call the customer service team Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or email. They'll aim to respond within 24 hours, so it is not 24/7, which is the case for other print-on-demand service providers. And as of March of last year, the site has a 51.83 bounce rate. Spreadshirt has over 200 print-on-demand products on its roster that includes t-shirts and tank tops, hoodies and long sleeve shirts, mugs, phones and tablet cases, caps and hats, children's and infants clothing and apparel, and aprons for cooking. Some printing methods that Spreadshirt has are as follows: flex printing, which involves cutting out a design on vinyl material and pressing it onto the fabric. Flock printing, that involves applying an adhesive layer onto the fabric and adding a layer of fuzzy fibers. Digital direct printing, a digital printer prints the design and directly onto the fabric. Special flex printing is a variation at flex printing that uses a metallic or holographic vinyl material to create a shiny or iridescent effect. And embroidery, that involves stitching the design onto the fabric and can result in a 3D and textured effect. SPOD, or sell print on demand, is the best option if you already have an online store and you want to integrate Spreadshirt into your store. SPOD integrates with popular e-commerce platforms that include Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, Squarespace, Orderdesk, and among others. When it comes to the shipping and fulfillment, when shipping Spreadshirt products, you can choose one of the 3 delivery methods. Standard, 7 to 14 days without product tracking. Number 2 is premium, 7 to 14 days with product tracking and loss insurance. And number 3 is express, 3 to 7 days with guaranteed delivery. And as an example, suppose you're shipping within the US. In this case, shipping costs are as follows for standard domestic shipping. So 0.01 cents and above costs $3.99. $9.99 and above costs $5.99, $49.99 and above costs $7.99, and $99.99 and above costs $11.99. When it comes to the shipping costs, a more in-depth graph, as you can see here, this is what it's going to look like. Just, browse and go over it, but pause the video for a second. And when it comes to the design price overview, you can go to help.spreadshirt.com, as we have gone here in this part of the video. Design price overview. If you scroll down, as you can see here, MP and EMP marketplace, these are the costs. This is using pounds as a currency. There you go. And that is Spreadshirt. Unlock a world of creative possibilities with Redbubble, the go-to platform for artists and art enthusiasts alike. With its extensive range of customizable products, user-friendly interface, and quick dispatch, Redbubble not only empowers artists to monetize their talent, but also offers consumers a treasure trove of unique, high-quality items. And as you can see, they have an expert score of 9.1 out of 10. And the breakdown would be: customer support is 8.8 out of 10. Value for money is 9.1 out of 10. Ease of use is 9.2 out of 10, and features is 9.2 out of 10, which is amazing, right? So that is the breakdown for Redbubble. We are going to go to the pros and cons right now, and the pros are as follows: quick dispatch, high print quality, supports artists, extensive array of items, easy to navigate. The cons, however, are products can be expensive, quality inconsistencies, and poor customer service. If you are an artist looking to monetize your creativity or a consumer in search of unique, high-quality products, Redbubble is for you. Now we go to the Redbubble specifications. The features are as follows: anti-piracy measures, artists community, bulk order, customizable products, drop shipping, easy management, global audience reach, on-demand products, sustainability, watermarks, worldwide shipping. Redbubble is best suited for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses. Website languages are English, French, Spanish, and Dutch. Website URL is redbubble.com. Of course, there is no live chat. The company is based in San Francisco, California, and it was founded in 2006. When it comes to the monetization or price range is free tier. Pricing type is commission based, because of course you need to work with the artist and strike a deal. Free plan, there is no free plan, there is no free trial. Money back guarantee is not existent as well. As you can see, it's fine. And when it comes to the pricing, again, it depends on the store and the artist. Once your account is set up, it falls into one of three tiers: Redbubble Standard, Redbubble Premium, and Redbubble Pro. And here we are going to scroll down what each tier gives you. As you can see here, let's just give you a minute to see what is up. You can also upload and earn. The process of earning through Redbubble is straightforward. Artists upload their designs onto products in their virtual shop. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is produced on demand and shipped globally to the customer. The artist receives payment for each sale, making it a hassle-free way to monetize their creative work. When it comes to bulk orders, you can get a sample coupon, a bulk order discount, free standard shipping, and additional benefits. And as you can see here, these are what you can get for bulk orders. There you go. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.